DIY programming for Mazda 5 key fobs typically involves cycling the ignition and pressing fob buttons to pair the remote with the vehicle's system. For most Mazda 5 models, turn the ignition from off to on rapidly, usually 10 times within 10 to 15 seconds. Then press a button on the key fob to initiate pairing. Steps vary by model year. For 2006-2017 models, use the standard cycling method. Newer models may require different button sequences or additional steps. Successful programming is indicated by a chime from the car or flashing lights on the dashboard. If these occur, the fob is paired and ready to use. If programming fails, check for dead fob batteries or immobilizer issues. Replace batteries and try again, or use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. For 2018-2020 Mazda 5 with Mazda Connect, check the infotainment system for reprogramming options. If DIY fails, visit a dealer. Physical fobs are being replaced by digital keys in newer vehicles. Always consult your owner's manual for exact steps. Online forums and YouTube provide visual guides, but professional help may be needed for complex issues.